Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme Narzo 30. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bar. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Come on. Then choose Send on an Android and Receive on Realme. Now choose all of those kind of dots and select Send in order to transfer all of those data. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Realme, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Then we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. You can always make sure of it by going into Files app, clicking Continue, tapping on Browse and selecting, in my case, Images. Then just look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!